everyone, my name is Kay and I'm an independent consultant with Pampered Chef. Tonight I have a come and cook with me. So people are gonna come over to my house and we're gonna cook 3 recipes that I've just really wanted to try. We're gonna try brunch recipes today and I wanted to share with you my grocery haul for all 3 recipes. I also wanted to share with you what it cost per recipe, per serving. Let's start with dessert first because that's always my favorite. All right, so we're gonna be making a dessert grilled cheese on the deluxe grill and griddle. It calls for these lovely dessert shells, and we usually use those for like strawberry shortcakes and stuff in the summer, but dessert shells, goat cheese, raspberries, and some white chocolate chips. I happen to have these, but I added in the total for the white chocolate chips anyway. Okay, so the dessert grilled cheese tonight costs $1.61 per serving, and that's if you go a little heavy on those chocolate chips. But I'm looking forward to a delicious dessert. All right, so let's go on to the main course. Our main course for tonight is a spinach egg bake. It's got a lot of ingredients, so here we go. So first, I just assumed you had oil or something at home and salt and pepper. But, so we have 1 small onion, a green bell pepper, and yes, I'm reading the recipe because, well, I've never tried them before. Salt, pepper, 2 cups of firmly packed spinach, and it called for fresh spinach, so I bought it in this lovely package. It's already washed. That's perfect, right? Okay. My grocery store was out of milk today, or at least the milk that I wanted to buy. I wasn't gonna pay for Uber milk. Their refrigerators had gone down. Anyway, it was weird. So, just a reminder, you can use evaporated milk. So, bought a can of that. Also calls for 4 ounces of cream cheese, so I'm only using half of this. Then 5 large eggs, and I bought an 18 pack of eggs because we eat a lot of eggs at our house, and the price is pretty good. And then 5 English muffins. I only had to buy 4 because I have some here at the house, but the price I quote you is for 5. Then we have some cheese to go on top. All right. So the total cost for this spinach egg bake is $7.47. The cost per serving is $1.49. Way better than going out to eat, right? Okay, and our last recipe is going to be easy Twice Baked Potato Casserole. Yum, right? Okay, so the ingredients for that one are 3 slices of bacon, but I had to buy a whole pound. 2 green onions, but you see I got a few more than that. Potatoes, so 2 pounds of potatoes. I bought a 5-pound bag, they're cheaper that way, and I can use them later. Some chicken stock, and I bought a small amount of chicken stock because I don't have any made at home right now. This is where the Greek plain yogurt comes in, and then salt, pepper, and then cheddar cheese. So the total cost for this whole dish is $7, $6.96. So cost per serving for 10 people, it won't be that many. It's a side dish. I like potatoes, don't you? Anyway, cost per serving is 70 cents, basically, for 10 servings. I'm gonna make the whole recipe tonight. I'm sure we're gonna eat more than 1 serving. So, what do you think about these 3 recipes and how much they cost? Would you like to see more grocery hauls from events that I do with my Pampered Chef business? If so, leave that in the comments. Ask any questions that you'd like. We'll see you in the next one.